Assalamu alaikum, dear children. In the previous video lecture, we have learned about DMAS. Now, in this video lecture, let's learn solving how to solve the brackets. Now, brackets are useful in simplification of numerical expressions involving two or more operations. So, brackets जो है इनका इस्तेमाल जो है न्यूमेरिकल एक्सप्रेशंस को सॉल्व करने में सिंप्लीफाई करने में होता है और इससे हमारा जो सिंप्लीफिकेशन है वो आसान हो जाता है. There are four kinds of brackets which are used in numerical expressions. First is line bracket or vinculum. It's like this, line bracket. Then we have round brackets or small brackets like this. Then we have curly brackets or braces like this. Then we have square brackets or brick brackets like this. Okay. Now the order of simplifying these brackets is, जब हम सॉल्व करेंगे तो यहाँ पे भी हमें ब्रैकेट्स को सॉल्व करने के लिए भी हमें एक ऑर्डर फॉलो करना है. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू सॉल्व दिस विनक्यूलम, दैट इज द लाइन ब्रैकेट. Next we have to solve the small brackets, and then we have to solve the curly brackets, and at last we have to solve the square brackets. Clear? So vinculum, small brackets, then curly braces or curly brackets or big brackets. Clear? Now to remember the rules we use a mnemonic as V BODMAS. So हम इन rules को एक short form, एक abbreviation की form में याद रखते हैं, that is V BODMAS. Okay, this V is vinculum. Okay, line bracket. It means first we have to solve the line bracket or vinculum. Then B is brackets. It means we have to solve after the vinculum, after the line brackets, we have to solve the brackets. Okay, first small bracket, then curly brackets, then square brackets. Then O means off is similar to multiplication. Then D means division. Then M means multiplication. A means addition, and S means subtraction. So this is the order which we have to follow. First we have to solve vinculum, then brackets, then off, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. So students, you will remember this mnemonic V BODMAS. Okay, sorry, this is BODMAS. This is M-A-S. Okay. Now let's learn through examples. Now students, here question is simplify 15 minus then square brackets 20 divided by curly brackets 6 minus 2 multiplied by small brackets 7 minus 4 minus 2, then small brackets close, curly brackets close, and square brackets close. So as per V BODMAS, we have to first solve the small brackets. First we have to solve vinculum, line brackets. Here we don't have any vinculum, so first we'll solve the small brackets here. So we'll do it like this: 15 minus 20 divided by 6 minus 2 into, now here we have 7 minus 4 minus 2. Now 7 minus 4 is 3, then minus 2. Okay, curly brackets close, square brackets close. Then 15 minus 20, square brackets start, 20 divided by curly brackets 6 minus 2 multiplied by, now within this small brackets we have 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, this small brackets will now be removed. So now we have curly brackets close and square brackets close. Then 15 minus this square bracket start, 20 divided by, now within this curly brackets we have 6 minus 2 into 1. First we'll do this multiplication. 2 into 1 is 2. So 6 minus 2. Then curly brackets close, then square brackets close. Now 15 minus 20 divided by, now the 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay, now these curly braces will be removed, then square brackets close. Now 15 minus, now 20 divided by 4 is, 4 5s are 20, so 5. Now 15 minus 5 is 10. Okay, so 10 is the answer. Here we have removed the square brackets now. Okay, so this is the way of solving such numerical expressions. Now students, let's solve exercise 3G. Part A is 80 minus curly braces 16 divided by small bracket 7 minus 2 minus 1, then small brackets close, curly brackets close. So first we'll write 80 minus this curly braces, then 16, then divided by, then small brackets. 7 minus 2 is 5, then 5 minus 1. Okay, then 80 minus curly braces 16 divided by, now 5 minus 1 is 4, and we will remove these small brackets, so 4. Okay, now 80 minus 16 divided by 4 is 4 because 4 fours are 16. So we'll remove these curly braces and write 4 here. Now 80 minus 4 is 76. So 76 is the answer. Clear? Now students, part D as per your textbook is the square brackets, then 40 divided by curly braces 19 minus 3 small brackets 6 minus 4 minus 1. Here we have the vinculum, that is this line bracket, then small brackets close, curly brackets close, and big brackets close. So first we'll write like this: 40 divided by curly braces 19 minus 3, then small brackets 6. Then here we have line brackets. It means first we have to solve this. 4 minus 1 is 3. So 6 minus 3. Okay. Now again 40 divided by curly braces 19 minus 3. Now we have to solve within the small bracket. 6 minus 3 is 3. So we'll remove these small brackets and write, okay, no sorry, we'll keep these small brackets and write 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay. So we'll first now do like this. Now we have to solve within these curly braces. Now 40 divided by curly braces 19 minus, now 3 3s are 9. Okay, so curly braces close and just big brackets close. Now again the square brackets, 40 divided by, now 19 minus 9 is 10. So we'll remove the curly braces and write 10 here. Okay. Now 40 divided by 10 is 4 because 10 fours are 40. So 4. So 4 is the answer. Clear? So students, you have to remember that first step is we have to solve the vinculum. Then we have to solve within the small brackets. Then we have to solve within the curly brackets. And then we have to solve within the square brackets. Clear? So students, you will do rest of the parts of this exercise yourself. And I'll end this video lecture here. This completes our chapter, this operations on large numbers. You will keep on practicing all those questions. You will keep on revising all those concepts. Allah Hafiz.